Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button down below to become part of the Peace Posse. We would love to have you. Now today's video is going to be something that I have never done before, and I am extremely excited, you guys. It's actually an unboxing slash first impressions, and I guess a review you could say as well. And that's going to be on my BOXYCHARM this month, and you're probably like, what the heck, girl? You just did a November BOXYCHARM unboxing. Well, guess what? This month is a BOXYLUXE, and I've never had a BOXYLUXE before, so I'm so excited to share it with you guys today. I did open it just so that way I wouldn't have a hard time opening it on camera, but you guys, this box is huge. Look at it compared to my head. Like, this is ridiculous. So normally, my normal BOXYCHARM is literally like half of this size, if that. So yeah, I am so excited to see what we got in the box this month, and then I will actually calculate it all and let you know how much it is all worth in the end. So if you want to see what I got for my BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE this month, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it's actually a subscription box at like 5 full-size makeup products for like 21 bucks a month. Now this guy is the BOXYLUXE, and I believe it's like $28 on top of the $21, so this guy is about $49, this box here, which yeah, is kind of a little bit more on the pricey side. But if you're a person like me that loves makeup and you know you're gonna get good use out of it, then I highly suggest you do it, because you get a lot of good stuff. You even get skincare, so it's very, very useful, I would say. So it's actually really cool. So if you don't necessarily like a makeup palette or something for that month, I just go ahead and hold on to it and save it and give it to somebody who I know is going to get good use out of it. But I can tell you that there hasn't been very much that I come across in my BOXYCHARM that I don't like. So if you're ready to go ahead and get on with this unboxing, then just let's get to it, I guess. All right. Look how cute, you guys. Like the little, it's literally like a big AF BOXYCHARM box. It's bigger than my head. Okay, yeah. BOXYCHARM, and it has like a huge card this time. So it says, "'Tis the season." See how cute. Alright, so we have a lot of things in the box this month. I am gonna start off with the first thing that I see, which is this little makeup bag. It says Glam AF on it. So cute. It's black. It's like a little wristlet, and it has like some gold detailing here. It says Glam AF. Oh my goodness, how cute. You open it up and it has a portable charger in here. So it actually says Crimes of Beauty, which is so sick. And it comes with like a little charger. Phone's always dying, so this is definitely gonna come in handy, you guys. So I can't wait. I'm definitely excited to use this guy. So the wristlet and the charger, portable charger, actually come out to be $22. So that's not too bad. So we got here. And so I'm just going to start off with whatever I see. So it's going to be this guy. This is the Spongelle Blossom Bliss. It says it's a body wash infused buffer. Ooh, that's cool. So I've actually gotten one of these in the box before, like a while back, but it wasn't the same brand. It is a body wash, a buffer, and it says it's dermatologist tested. So it helps moisturize, soften, and cleanse. And oh my god, how cute. It's a little star. So yeah, it's like a little star buffer that you use in the bath or in the shower with you. And so I'm excited. This guy alone is already $20. So this and the little wristlet together is basically the entire price of the box, which is actually pretty good. So yeah, in the end, I'll go ahead and add everything up and let you know what the actual price is and how much you actually got for what you paid for it, if you know what I mean. Next thing that I see is gonna be this guy here, and it is the Luxie Brushes Complete Face Set. I don't know if you could see it because there's a glare here. Let me take the plastic off. Here's those brushes without the plastic. Sorry, you still get the glare from the ring light, but they are so cute, you guys. I love Luxie brushes. If you've never tried Luxie brushes, I highly recommend that you do. They are amazing and they are cruelty free. Love Luxie brushes, cannot say that enough. What's up, Winston? But yeah, so these guys actually go for $65, the entire thing. So literally this alone is more expensive than the entire BOXYCHARM. So yeah, you're definitely getting your money's worth. So like I said, these guys were $65. And the next thing that we have in the box is actually going to be this guy here. Alamus Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. It says it's for fine lines, wrinkles, and it firms, smooth, and hydrates. It says defined by nature and led by science. So this is what that guy looks like. So this is a facial cream, some skincare, I'm guessing. This guy goes for $89. Isn't that crazy? So definitely this alone is like the box and a half just for this guy. So that's super cool that we get some good skincare in the box this month. All right, so the next thing that I see is actually from a brand that I have makeup products from before, so I'm super excited to see this. It is from the brand Pretty Vulgar, and this is their Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Powder. And I've seen this online, and I think it's so cute because it comes with like a little powder puff. A little pink little powder puff, so I think it's super cute that I get this. So this is just like a setting powder for your face, and I'm gonna feel so fancy when I'm like using that little powder puff. So this is super cute. This powder is $32 alone, so that's super cool that we get it in this month's box. Next thing in the box is a little shimmering lip paint from Tarte. This is super cool. It's called Insta Famous. Let's see what the color looks like. I love Tarte. Ooh, super pretty. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Wow, such a pretty gloss. So it's definitely like super shimmery. So I can't wait to try this guy out on my lips. It's gonna look so beautiful. I'm so glad that we got a little Tarte lip paint in this month's box. So this guy is $20. So yeah, super stoked that we got that. I'm like digging everything in this box so far. I literally can't complain at all. Well, I never complain when it comes to BOXYCHARM because you literally get your money's worth every single time. No doubt about it. So yeah, super, like, I'm very much digging this month's box. So I think we're heading down to the last final products. I'm just gonna throw the box over here because we don't really need that anymore. Okay, so we got 2 palettes this month, you guys. 2 palettes. Like, that's insane. So this one is from the brand Suva Beauty. I'm sorry, I was gonna say it's from the brand Prodigy, but it's actually called the Prodigy palette. But this is from the brand Suva Beauty. And first of all, this eyeshadow palette feels amazing because it's like that soft touched texture. It's very like luxurious feeling in a way, like heavy but not too heavy, but it feels very nice. Like you'd want to reach for this palette just because of the way that it feels. So it makes it feel like extra. It makes it feel extra, yeah. All right, so let's take a look at this palette. So this is the palette this month. Isn't it so cute? I definitely love the aesthetic, and I love how it has the name aesthetic as one of like the little eyeshadows. So that's super cute. I love these warm tones. I feel like that's perfect for fall. Definitely like the vibes that I have going on right now with this very cranberry like lid and lip going on. So yeah, we're stoked to use this guy, and I cannot wait because you guys, we got the Violet Voss Holy Grail eyeshadow palette, and personally, I have never tried any Violet Voss eyeshadows. I see them online a lot, and they look so gorgeous, and I'm so glad that we got this in this month's box, because honestly, it's probably something that I would never purchase for myself, which is actually what I love about BOXYCHARM. A lot of the things that I get here are things that I wouldn't necessarily purchase myself, but I end up falling in love with. So if it was up to my own choice, I would have never known about these products, but because they get sent to me, I'm like, oh my god, I freaking love this. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I love that it's like holographic looking, like that's so lit. Yeah, that's awesome. You guys are gonna die. This is gorgeous. Look at this eyeshadow palette. Ugh. I'm living, and it comes with like a full-size mirror and everything, and I love how it's heavy. Oh my god. Ugh. definitely gonna get some good use out of this month's eyeshadow palettes. Like, what the heck? This is so lit, you guys. This is so dope that we get all of this stuff. So yeah, if you have never heard of BOXYCHARM before, I highly suggest that you like check it out. Definitely should check it out. I actually forgot something that came in the box, you guys, and this is the Grande mascara. It is from the brand Grande Cosmetics. I've actually owned this, and it's a really good mascara. It's $25, and yeah, I don't know that I would necessarily pay $25 for a mascara because you can get some awesome mascaras at the drugstore, but yeah, I totally forgot to add this guy in there. So if the setup looks weird, I found this on the ground right next to my box that I threw on the floor. So yeah, alright guys, just wanted to let you know that I did get one more thing in the box if you're wondering, like, girl, that does not add up. For the big reveal, I guess you would say. So I added up all the products of these guys individually. Not gonna believe this, but it all adds up to $352. Wow, right? $352 worth of product for $49. Like, that is so crazy. So that's why I get BOXYCHARM every single month. I love makeup, and honestly, it always gets put to good use. So if I personally do not use it, I either donate it or give it to a friend. So I really love BOXYCHARM, you guys. I was super stoked that I got the BOXYLUXE this month. So what it is like every 3 months, I think that they start doing the BOXYLUXE, which is the bigger version of the box. And like, that's super cool. I've had BOXYCHARM for years and they haven't done that before in the past. So this is actually my first BOXYLUXE, and I'm so excited, and I can't be more happier with all the products that I got. If any of you guys are interested in BOXYCHARM, I'll actually leave my referral link down in the description below. I don't get anything from it, but you definitely do, and you get like a little discount or something on BOXYCHARM. So yeah, that'll be super cool and lit if you guys joined. I mean, if you guys like makeup and stuff. Yeah guys, so that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I definitely give this box like a 10 out of 10, and I haven't even used anything from it, but I'm so stoked. I'll definitely be doing some more makeup tutorials because I did get a request for that, so that's really cool. I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the makeup tutorials. I really like to do makeup, and I kind of didn't know where to start on this channel, so yeah, I'm really glad that you guys are enjoying it. This video a thumbs up if you guys are interested in more makeup tutorials or reviews or anything of that sort, and then just go ahead and comment down below and let me know what kind of makeup tutorials that you guys want to see and stuff. So yeah, that I can get those going for you, and I can't wait for 2019, you guys. It's gonna be such a lit year, and yeah, thanks for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Peace and love to you guys always, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye!